In today's video, we're going to explore how to safely access public Wi-Fi using VPNs. Public Wi-Fi is everywhere, cafes, airports, hotels, but did you know that it can actually leave your personal information exposed to hackers and other cyber threats? Whether it's your passwords, emails, or financial data, connecting to unsecured networks can put your privacy at serious risk. That's where VPNs, or virtual private networks, come in. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, hides your IP address, and keeps your data private and secure, even on the most vulnerable public networks. We're going to break down the hidden dangers of public Wi-Fi, explain why a VPN is the smartest way to protect yourself, and share some of our top recommendations for VPNs. But don't forget to stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how you can get the best deal possible. Let's dive in. Understanding the risk of public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those found in coffee shops, airports, hotels, offer convenience, but they do come with significant risks. These networks are often unencrypted, which makes them really easy targets for cyber criminals. Let's break down the most common dangers you face when using public Wi-Fi. Data interception. Public Wi-Fi networks don't usually encrypt the data passing between device and the network. Hackers can use simple tools to intercept this data, gaining access to sensitive information like your emails, passwords, or credit card information. Man-in-the-middle attacks. In this type of attack, a hacker positions themselves between your device and the Wi-Fi network, effectively eavesdropping on your connection. They can monitor your activity, steal personal information, or even modify the data you're sending and receiving without you noticing. Fake hotspots. Cyber criminals can create rogue Wi-Fi networks that appear legitimate. For example, they might name their hotspot something like free coffee shop Wi-Fi. If you connect, all of your online activity is routed through their server, which exposes all of your data to them. Session hijacking. Once you're connected to a public network, hackers can actually steal session cookies from your browser. This allows them to access your accounts such as email, social media, or even online shopping as if they were you. Public Wi-Fi may seem harmless, but these risks highlight the importance of protecting yourself when connecting to these kind of networks. Without proper precautions, your personal information can easily become available to others. Why a VPN is the safest option and how it works. How do you protect yourself on public Wi-Fi? The most effective way is by using a VPN. A VPN provides a secure private connection even when you're on an open public network. Here's how it works and why it's the safest option. Encryption. A VPN encrypts all of the data you send and receive using protocols like AES-256, which is the gold standard for security. This encryption makes your data unreadable to anyone who tries to intercept it. Even if a hacker manages to capture your data, they won't be able to decipher it. IP masking. When you connect to a VPN, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you're connected to. This ensures that your location and identity remain private, shielding you from tracking by websites, advertisers, and potential hackers. Secure tunneling. A VPN creates a virtual tunnel between your device and the internet. All data passing through this tunnel is encrypted, which protects your activity from prying eyes, even on unsecured public Wi-Fi. Versatile protocols. Many modern VPNs use advanced protocols like OpenVPN and WireGuard, which balance speed and security. These protocols ensure your connection is not only safe, but also fast enough for browsing, streaming, or working online. Think of a VPN as your personal security shield. It turns a vulnerable public Wi-Fi network into a safe, private environment where you can browse, shop, or work without worry. With a VPN, you don't have to gamble with your privacy or the safety of your personal information. Next, let's go into the VPNs that we highly recommend. Here are our top VPN recommendations for securing your data on public Wi-Fi. These options offer strong encryption, user-friendly features, and excellent server coverage. Starting off with ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a top choice for its speed, reliability, and strong security features. It also offers military-grade encryption and no logs policy and trusted server technology that ensures all server data is wiped after each reboot. With servers in over 94 countries, it provides excellent global coverage for secure browsing. It also includes split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN and a kill switch to protect your data if the VPN connection drops. It's a premium option for users who prioritize performance and security. Let's go ahead and look at the pricing. If you want to get started with ExpressVPN, click our exclusive link in the description. It will bring you to this page and we'll go ahead and click Get ExpressVPN. Okay, right now ExpressVPN actually has a Black Friday promotion going on. You can save up to 82%. As you can see, they have a couple different options here, so it depends on how long of a plan you would like to sign up for. If you want to sign up to pay month by month, this is $12.95 per month. The great thing about ExpressVPN is they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get all of your money back within 30 days. In this first plan, the month-by-month plan, you get industry-leading VPN, ad blocker, tracker blocker, password manager, and ID alerts. Moving on to the 2 years plus 6 months free, this actually renews yearly, and this is $4.99 per month right now. You can actually save 82% with the Black Friday promotion. This plan gets you industry-leading VPN, ad blocker, tracker blocker, password manager, ID alerts, 1 million ID theft insurance, and data removal. This is the most popular plan, and again, you can save 82% if you sign up for the 2-year plan. So after the 30 months is up, it will renew annually. Moving on to the 1 year plus 4 months free, this is $6.25 a month, and then after the first 16 months, it renews yearly after that. So with this plan, you get industry-leading VPN, ad blocker, tracker blocker, password manager, ID alerts, and 1 million ID theft insurance. If you want to get started with ExpressVPN, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. The next option we recommend is Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is a budget-friendly VPN that doesn't skimp on features. It offers unlimited device connections, clean web for ad and malware blocking, and multi-hop for extra privacy by routing your connection through multiple servers. Surfshark's GPS spoofing on Android devices is particularly helpful for apps that rely on location data. With servers in over 100 countries and a strict no-log policy, Surfshark is perfect for users looking for affordable, secure public Wi-Fi protection. If you want to get started with Surfshark, go ahead and click that link in the description. If you click the link in the description, we'll go ahead and click Get Surfshark. Surfshark has a couple of different options. Let's go ahead and review them. So to start off too, the cool thing about Surfshark, you can get 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get all your money back within 30 days. Let's go ahead and review the 24-month plans. As you can see, the longer the term, the better price that you get. Starting off with the Surfshark Starter. The Surfshark Starter plan starts at only $1.99 a month, plus you get 4 extra months. This plan includes secure VPN, ad blocker, cookie pop-up blocker, personal data generator, mass email generator. So go ahead and click the link in the description and click Get Started if you want the Surfshark Starter plan. Next up is the most popular, and you can save 86%, starting at just $2.49 per month, plus an additional 4 extra months. This plan includes everything with the starter plan, plus real-time email breach alerts, real-time credit card and ID breach alerts, private search tool, 24/7 antivirus protection, and so much more. Moving on to the last plan, which is Surfshark One Plus, you can save up to 81%. This plan starts at $3.99 a month plus 6 extra months included. You get everything with the Surfshark One plan, plus data removal for company databases, as well as data removal for people search sites. As mentioned, the longer the term, the better the price, and you definitely want to take advantage of the Black Friday promotion going on because it will not last forever. Last but not least is NordVPN. NordVPN is known for its comprehensive security features and massive server network. With over 5,200 servers in 60 countries, NordVPN offers an excellent source of coverage and performance. Unique features like double VPN, which routes your connection through 2 servers, and CyberSec, which blocks ads and malware, make it a favorite for public Wi-Fi protection. Let's go ahead and take a look at the plan. So if you want to get started, go ahead and click the exclusive link in the description below. As you can see, NordVPN also has a massive Black Friday deal going on right now. We'll go ahead and click Get the Deal and take a look at the plans. As you can see, you can determine how long of a period you would like. Let's go ahead and start with the 2-year plans. NordVPN also does a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't feel like it's the best fit, you can get your money back after 30 days. So starting off with the basic plan where you can save up to 75%, this only starts at $2.88 per month, and you get an additional 4 extra months. This plan includes the secure high-speed VPN. Moving on to the most popular plan, which is the standard. This starts at $3.27 per month, and you get an additional 4 extra months. This plan includes secure high-speed VPN, Threat Protection Pro, which is anti-malware and advanced browsing protection, as well as Threat Protection Pro, ad and tracker blocker. Moving on to the complete plan, which you can save up to 74%. 20%. This is $4.27 per month, plus you get an additional 4 extra months. You get everything with the standard plan, plus password manager with data breach scanner, as well as 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage and more. Last is the Prime plan, and you can save up to 75% off on this plan right now. It starts at $7.61 per month, and you get an additional 4 extra months as well. With this plan, you get everything with the complete plan, plus up to $1 million for identity theft recovery, up to $100K in cyber extortion protection, identity and SSN monitoring and alerts, as well as credit monitoring services. NordVPN really does have a plan for everyone. If you want to get started with NordVPN to get the best price possible, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description, and don't wait too long because the Black Friday deal will not last forever. Now, let's go ahead and take a tour of NordVPN and how to use it. Here you can see once you download NordVPN, which you can easily do on your websites once you are signed up, we'll go ahead and disconnect. The cool thing about NordVPN is all the different servers across the world, and you can view them on a map super easily. So all I have to do is click connect, and I will connect to that server with whatever location. If you want to just browse by location on this left toolbar over here, you can absolutely do that too. Here you can see is a Threat Protection Pro. So this checks websites for scams and phishing, and it also stops web trackers and protects you from downloading malware. All you have to do is click set up and you will enable it on your computer. Next is Advanced Browsing Protection, and this keeps you from entering websites that host malware, prevents phishing, and helps you avoid scams. Moving on to the Ad and Tracker Blocker. This blocks intrusive ads and stops trackers from gathering information about you as you browse. So here you can see all of the listed ones right here. You can also clear the history if you would like. Here's the Settings tab where you can decide which features you want to turn on and off. Next is MeshNet. So MeshNet is a way to securely access other devices no matter where in the world they are. You also can safely reach files on your home computer, phone, or tablet, as well as connect to other devices for IP address sharing, as well as transfer unlimited files securely. Moving on is the Dark Web Monitor. The Dark Web Monitor will alert you if your sensitive data is publicly exposed online. It will scan the dark web for leaked data tied to your email address, passwords, phone numbers, or any other personal details. Next is just Presets Overview, and this is just where you can combine custom VPN connection settings with shortcuts to apps or websites for secure one-click access. And then here you can look at your statistics. So it'll just show your VPN status, protocol, connection time, IP address, and then it will also show you your weekly time protected, as well as your current streak and everything along those lines. Again, to get started with NordVPN, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description and get your hands on that Black Friday deal. Now let's go into the best practices for using a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Using a VPN significantly enhances your online security when connected to public Wi-Fi, but there are some additional steps you can take to maximize your protection. So let's kind of go over some essential best practices. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts. While a VPN encrypts your connection, it's still a good idea to limit access to sensitive accounts like online banking or financial apps unless absolutely necessary. Public Wi-Fi networks are unpredictable, and it's better to err on the side of caution when dealing with personal or financial information. Stick to HTTPS websites. Always check that the websites you visit are secure by looking for the HTTPS at the beginning of the URL and padlock icon in your browser. This provides an extra layer of encryption for your online activity, making it much harder for attackers to intercept your data. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds another layer of security to your accounts. Even if hackers manage to obtain your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second authentication factor, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Update your VPN software regularly. Ensure that your VPN app is always up to date. Developers frequently release updates and enhanced security features and bug fixes. Running the latest versions ensures you're protected against the latest cyber threats. Beware of phishing scams. A VPN protects your connection but doesn't guard against phishing attacks. Be cautious when clicking on links, especially from unfamiliar sources. Always double check URLs to ensure they're legitimate and avoid entering personal information on unverified websites. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connections. Many devices are set to automatically connect open Wi-Fi networks, which can leave you exposed to fake hotspots. Turn off this feature and connect only to networks you trust, and always activate your VPN before doing so. Log out of accounts when done. If you log into accounts while using public Wi-Fi, make sure you log out when you're finished. This reduces the risk of session hijacking, where attackers steal your login session to gain unauthorized access. VPNs. Turn off file sharing. Some devices automatically enable file sharing on public networks, which can allow others to access your files. Disable this feature in your device setting before connecting to public Wi-Fi. Use strong passwords in a password manager. Always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts. A password manager can help you generate and store complex passwords, ensuring you're less vulnerable to brute force attacks. By incorporating these best practices along with your VPN, you are going to have a comprehensive strategy to safeguard your data and privacy when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Taking these extra precautions ensures that even if the network is compromised, your personal information remains secure. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to stay safe on public Wi-Fi using VPNs. By choosing a reliable VPN and following best practices, you can browse securely and keep your data private no matter where you are. This channel is dedicated to helping you navigate the world of VPNs and online privacy. We're committed to bringing you the best tools and insights to protect your online experience. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments that you have. And if you want to get started with any of the VPNs we talked about, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.